Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 stocks that I am dollar cost averaging into. I was inspired by this reel that was posted by Larry Jones last week. I'm including just a little bit of it.
One of the things I suggest that everybody does is to be dollar cost averaging a minimum of your top 5 stock.
Alright, so before we get started, I want to quickly explain dollar cost averaging and fractional shares. Dollar cost averaging is when you invest a set dollar or share size amount into a stock over a set period of time at various price points that will be averaged together. So, for example, instead of buying a full share of a stock at $200, you invest $10 daily until you build up to owning a full share. So the stock I'm going to be talking about in this videos are all ones that I am dollar cost averaging into, making fractional share investments. And just to let you know, I am down in more than one of these stocks, but that's the stock market. I'm striving to make improvements, and that's part of the reason why a couple of these are on this list. Dollar cost averaging is an investment method that mitigates the risk, but it doesn't eliminate it. So I'm pairing it with sound investment choices that I feel will keep me on track to build a successful portfolio. The first 2 on my list are both ETFs. Number 1 is VTI, which I have been dollar cost averaging into since September the 12th. It is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which is comprised of over 4,000 stocks. So, as I said, it's been 5 months now, and all the figures I'm about to give you are as of February 3rd. So, over the last 6 months, it's up 1%. On the month, it's up 8.2%, and my portfolio is up 7.46%. My average price is $193.42. And as I said, as of February 3rd, the stock price closed at $208. I have 5.3 shares in my portfolio, and I'm going to pop in a video here to show you how I achieve this. And I never invested more than $10 while I was building up towards these 5 shares. That's what dollar cost averaging can do for you. It gives you the chance to not have to time the market, not try to have to figure out when is the best day to invest. I just invested every day that the market was open, just a small amount in order to mitigate the risk and build up my portfolio. I knew that this was something that I definitely wanted to build into, to be a foundation. And this method of investing is currently, in this particular ETF, working well because, as I said, on a 6-month time frame, the stock price is up 1%, but because I've been investing steadily over the last 5 months, my portfolio is up 7.46%. So I'm not going to be doing a deep dive on number 2 through 5 on my list. So let's get started. Number 2 on my list is VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. So I currently do not even have one full share of it in my portfolio, but over this year, I want to work towards having 10 shares. Number 3 on my list is Disney. I currently have 5.4 shares, and I plan on building up my position to getting to 10 shares. So my Disney portfolio currently is down 20% because I first invested into Disney back in September at a price point of $171, and November at $144. So I'm using this time right now, while it's been between $90 and $110, to dollar cost average and bring down my overall average for this stock within my portfolio. Number 3 on my list is Google. I'm currently close to 4 shares, and I plan on working to add 2 more shares to my portfolio. I'm currently down just 3% on my Google. And number 5 on my list is Amazon. I currently have 7.5 shares and I want to work to build up towards 10 shares. I'm currently down 11% and I'm taking this time to focus on dollar cost averaging while I've been able to pick it up between $89 and $110 to, again, just like I said about Disney and Google, continue to bring down my overall average. Okay, so I have a few others that I am dollar cost averaging into, but this video was about my top 5. And let's just to recap, they were VTI, VOO, Disney, Google, and Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know, do you invest on your own? Do you use the strategy of dollar cost averaging? Okay, bye.